Hello, today I would like to show you another advantage you have by registering your trademarks with GreatBrands, our customer portal, and we're very proud about this. The portal is a very cool and effective way to manage your trademarks and trademark services you have with GreatBrands. The first screen is actually the dashboard with all basic information like the project summary, below you can find the invoice status. You can see all the invoices you have with GreatBrands, inclusive the status. Let's start now with the projects. I'm going up to the menu point, but you could also as well go to the project summary and click on the respective project you want to open up. In the project summary, you can see all the projects you have with GreatBrands. The projects are actually nothing else than trade or design marks that are in the registration process, or even after the registration process, the projects continue, like for example, if we monitor or if we do an analysis or an audit for your trademark. So all this you can find in the respective projects. Let's go into the EU registration test project. Oh, by the way, you can see here all the relative information about this project, like when has it started, what is the billing type, the trademark name, the classes, the trademark region, and so on. So let's get in. Then you can see all this information a little bit more detailed. Like here you have the billing type, how much did it cost, what is the status of the trademark, when did it start, etc., etc. All the very important information concerning directly your trademark. The project process percentage here shows how far we are actually in the project progress. Here it's 0% as we haven't started nothing yet. It's a demo, so 0%. The task manager is a very cool thing to communicate tasks to GreatBrands or receive tasks from us. Like if you need some more information, as in the task here, you can request them and we send them back to you. So in this case, it's a test task. Can you please send us the demo trademark? And we have actually sent the demo back to you. This is assigned to me as I'm the customer account manager for this account. It's my account, so I am the responsible. Timesheets. Timesheets are very important in case that we are doing sort of services that are time related. Like for example, if we have a legal case. In this case here, you can then see who is assigned, what is the task, how much time did we organize it, when did it start, etc., etc. So you have a complete overview about what we are doing and what will it cost. The milestones are showing actually all the milestones that are directly related to your trademark. So in this case here, we have assigned that the opposition period had started. It started here. So it was actually, all the important points and all the milestones concerning your trademark registration are listed here. Every trademark has some files, starting from the trademark filing receipt you receive when we directly file the trademark. Every trademark office is assigning or is giving a receipt when a trademark registration has been started. So when we file the trademark registration, then we get a receipt, and this receipt is actually very important because it shows exactly the date and it proves that your trademark has been started for registration. Your protection starts from this day on. So from that day and time on, you are protected. Like for example, in this case here, we have started the certification on the 3rd of 9th at a certain time, and from this time and from this date on, you are protected. And you can even use the TM sign next to your name because it actually proves the TM that the trademark registration is in progress. When the registration is over, you can use the little R sign so that it shows that it's actually registered. So all the documentation are in here, and you can even, if you receive a documentation from, like for example, the trademark office, you can drop the files here to upload, or just click on here, choose them on your computer and upload them directly. If you would like to communicate with your account manager, you can do this via discussions here. So you can actually immediately send a little comment, and this one, as I am the key account manager, I will basically get this message and I can reply then to the customer. This is actually for all of my colleagues the same. If someone's starting a discussion, this will pop up at the back end we are using to manage the business and to manage all the trademarks, and we can immediately react on the discussion. It's a little bit like a chat, so that we are very reactive on your requests. If you do not want to open a discussion, but you have a sort of issue or you want to communicate something, you can open a ticket. These tickets are actually going to everyone that is related and is helping customers in the back end, so doing the support, and everyone will get this ticket, which guarantees quick reaction time. And we try to be as responsive as possible to reply to all of your issues you have or information needs you have. So that's actually a very cool thing. On the estimates, these are the estimates that are actually project related. It might be that you would like to have an additional service and you don't know how much it costs. Then you can request an estimate with us. If this estimate has been done, it will appear here. And if you accept the estimate, it will automatically be converted into an invoice, which later on you will find then here. The activity section is very important because in this it proves everything and it shows everything that has been made on the portal, on the customer portal. So related to your account, you can see 22 hours ago someone has uploaded an attachment on a task, discussion has been created, we have a project that has been updated, etc., etc. So all these things can be seen here. So there is no confusion whatsoever. As one of the most important tasks we have is to inform our customers about trademarks, about the advantages of trademarks, what are trademarks. Therefore, we have created a little knowledge base in here, which is basically nothing else than trademarks in a nutshell. It shows you everything about trademarks, so the basics, what are trademarks, how does it work, what are classes. As you know, every trademark is related to a certain class of goods and services. All these kind of things and all these information can be found here. So that's a very useful tool for people that had never to do with trademarks beforehand. Trademarks are very much related to timelines and time guides. Therefore, we have put a calendar in here, so you can see every date and everything that's related to your trademark here on one view. Like, for example, in this case, on the Thursday, the 3rd of September, we have filed the registration for the EU trademark test, etc., etc. So all these information will then be added into the calendar, and you can check them at every time. Even the tasks, because tasks might be timely limited, so that we put a deadline on the task or you put a deadline on the tasks. So even these are shown in this calendar. For sure, also the dates where the trademarks are actually running out and the renewal periods are also shown in the calendar. As I mentioned before, trademarks are very much they have an awful lot of paperwork, and there are an awful lot of documents that are actually going with the trademarks. So we have a little file manager, and this one here is not project related, but it's a general file manager where all of the information that might be relevant or important are here. And again, also customers can drop files or upload files here if they receive files that are not and that we don't have, and but that needed to be listed things. So it's also possible to connect with Google Drive. So if you have a Google Drive account and you have documentation in there, you can directly copy them over from your Google Drive account. Our customer portal is multi-language, so there are an awful lot of languages that are available. It's no reason not to use this and to say my English is not good enough. We can actually add a lot of language, starting from Chinese, German, French, Portuguese, etc. Everything is possible. So that was a quick view into GreatBrands Customer Portal. I really hope you liked it and it motivates you to register your trademark and or design mark in the future with GreatBrands. So have a lovely day and tell your friends about us. Thank you very much. Bye bye.